Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics World, and today I'm going to start a new chapter number 5, application of percentage. So let's begin. So guys, आज हम करने जा रहे हैं chapter 5, application of percentage, worksheet 1. So our first question is, a property dealer charges 2% commission from a buyer or a seller of a property. If Mr. Ramlal paid rupees 20,000 as a commission for purchasing a flat, what was the value of the flat? So here in this question we have to use linear equation process. So first, wait a second. Now guys, see, our answer is, so first we will write, let the value of the flat be x, then we will write commission. एंड गाइज अगर आपको कोई दूसरे चैप्टर्स की ज़रूरत है और इसी मैथ्स की बुक से किसी और चैप्टर की ज़रूरत है तो आप उसे कमेंट कर दें, मैं उस पर भी जल्द से जल्द वीडियो बना दूंगा. कमीशन इज इक्वल टू 2%. कमीशन नाउ commission Mr. Ramlal paid. He paid 20,000 rupees. 20,000. Now we will write therefore value of the flat is 2 by 100 to the power x, 2 by 100 x, as here we have written, is equal to 20,000. And now, as we do in linear equation, we will solve it. Is equal to, now first this 100 will go here. So here it is in division. So 2x. Wait guys. No guys, I think now I will not write 2 here. X is equal to 20,000. Whoa, what was that sound guys? I really scared guys. So ये हम लोग यहाँ पे 2 नहीं लिखेंगे. X is equal to 20,000 into 100 by 2. Now guys, it is correct. Now 2 will be cancelled. 2 by, and this will be 10,000. So it's equal to 10,000 into 100 is equal to, we will add 2 zeros here. That will be 4. Now it will be 10 lakh. Yeah guys, it will be 10 lakh. Answer, hence value of the flat is rupees 10 lakh. And guys, after the video I will check what was that sound. So guys, our second question is, a 3-star hotel in Delhi charges 10% sales tax on the price of the food taken. Mr. Saxena and his family had the food for rupees 685. Find the total money he had to pay. So guys, this question will be started as price of the food. price of the food is, sorry guys, food is rupees 685, and it is sales tax. Yes, sales tax is equal to 10%, that is equal to 10 by 100. And guys, as in our first question we had done, here only we had written the x, that is the value of the flat. So here also we will do something like that only, means we will write here into 685, because guys we have to find the value of 10% of rupees 685, so we write 685 here. So now guys, I don't think that I have to cancel, just I am writing the answer, that is rupees 68.50. So here we will write, therefore money paid by Mr. Saxena is equal to rupees 685 plus rupees 68.50, that is equal to rupees 753.50. So guys, this is only our answer. Rupees 753, yeah, 753.50. So this was how we will do our second question, guys. So guys, our third question is a painter paints 240 feet of a wall. If this is 48% of the total wall surface, what is the area of the wall in square feet? So we will start this answer from, let the total surface of the wall, let the total surface of the wall be x square feet. And now we will write 48% of x is equal to, the value was given as 240. That means 48 by 100 of means into, no, 48 by 100 into x is equal to 240. And now x will be here, and it will be 240 into 100 by 48. And guys, I think I don't cancel this because it will be confusing. So our direct answer will be 500 square feet. And guys, I think I should cancel, otherwise someone can be confused, or in exam or test we will write, that will be confusing. So this will be 24, this will be 52. Now by 2 only 12, and this will be 25. By 2 only it is 6, and by 2 only it is 120. By 2 only it is 3, and by 2 only it is 60. By 3 it is 1, and by 3 is equal to 20. And 20 into 25 is equal to 500. Yeah guys, it is 500 square feet. And if you guys are confusing in this calculation, you can do this calculation on your own. So our answer will be, hence the surface of the wall is 500 square feet. And now guys, our fourth question is, salary of a person was increased by 15%. If his salary now is rupees 9936, what was his initial salary? So guys, here we will start it from let the initial salary be X. And now guys, increase in salary is equal to 15%. That means 15 by 100 to the power x, I think so, yeah, into x. And now guys, 15 by 100 can be cancelled. So after cancelling 15 by 100, it will be 3 by 20 x, and now it can't be cancelled. And now increase in salary we had written, now increased salary is equal to, it was increase in salary is how much rupees, and this is what is the increase in salary amount. So, and now guys, here I am not solving it, just I am writing what is it, x plus 3 by 20 x is equal to 23 by 20 rupees 23 by 20 x. And now guys, we will do therefore 23x by 20 is equal to 9936. And now guys, equal to only I should do. Now guys, it's equal to x is equal to 9936 into 20 by 23. And now guys, if I will start cancelling it, it will be very much lengthy. So I am writing the right answer, that is rupees 8640. And I should cancel it down only. Not to make too much lengthy, I should direct do 1 432. 432 into 20 is equal to 8640. Answer, hence his initial, if guys I am writing the wrong spelling of initial, so initial salary is rupees 8640. Our fifth question is, in a co-edition school, 45% of the total students are girls. If there are 440 boys in the school, find the number of the girls in the school. So guys, here we will do as let the total number of students be x, and now number of girls is equal to, it was 45% written, yes, 45 by 100, because there is 45%, so I am writing 45 by 100 into x, that is equal to 9 by 20 By cancelling, guys, it is 9 by 20 x. Here by cancelling it is 9 by 20 x. And now number of boys is equal to 9x by 20. 9x by 20. 9x by, sorry, excuse me guys. Yeah, 9x by 20. Oh wait guys. Here x minus 9 by 20 and here multiplication. Sorry. X minus 9 by 20 is equal to 11x by 20. Just I had paused the video to solve it, and guys, here I had forgotten that I had not written x minus. And guys, now here it will be like, first here we will solve it. 11x by 20 is equal to 440. The boys were 440 boys. So guys, here dash x, this is not minus sign guys, this is a dash. I can do it like this. Yeah, x is equal to 440. X is 440 into 20 by 11. I think this way only we will do. Yeah. So here guys, I am not doing the process that cutting that, so it will be very much lengthy. So it can be happening that you will not understand that. So x is equal to 800. So guys, therefore number of girls. So guys, as today we have completed chapter 5 worksheet 1 till question number 5. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. अगर अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल को बिना भूले सब्सक्राइब कर दें और घंटी बटन को दबा दें ताकि आपको आगे की नोटिफिकेशन जल्द से जल्द मिलते रहें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.